ulo eh, no? Something like that, no? Yeah. So, i-check ko lang kung tama ba yung yan, no? With the Mars, no? Talagang meron dito na nagkaroon ng, kumbaga ay, yan, no? With the Mars, no? Nagkaroon ng tower moment, no? For some of you talaga, mga Scorpio, no? So, talagang meron talaga ritong third party, no? So, with the tower moment, nagkaroon ng pag-iisip, no? Kung sino man yung na-involved sa third party, no? Nagkaroon siya ng choices. Kumbaga, hindi man choices, decisions ba? Kumbaga, with this Mars, no? Meron na pagdesisyonan dito, no? Kung sino man yung may third party involved, no? That person is choosing the third party, no? Because, para sa kanya, ayun yung true love niya, no? Something like that, no? So, sorry to say, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. Maybe for some of you talagang pinili na yung third party and right now buntis na siya, no? Or, yun nga, ay nagpaplano na rin sila na mag-baby, no? So, what else? With the sun, 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo, no? So, kasi nga with the sun, no, literally, no, siya yung happiness ng that third person is the happiness, no? Kung sino man yung na-involved sa third party is masaya sila, no? Ayun yung kasiyahan nila, masaya sila, and with this true love, no, maybe for some of you talaga, ayun yung true love, no, nararamdaman nila, no? Yeah, with the sun, and literally maybe with the sun may anak na talaga sila, right? No, so another additional messages for you mga Scorpio. Maybe for some of you hiwalay na rin kayo nito, no? Tinanggap nyo na lang din yung mga pangyayari, right? No, maybe talaga ay hindi rin kayo para sa isa't isa, no? For some of you, kung sino man yung na-involved sa third party, no? Kung sino man yung iniwan because of third party, right? No, meron na rito kasi pinili niya na yung third party, no? Pinili niya. So, what else? Tignan natin. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here. So, let's see. So, you have these dreams, manifesting wishes, no? So, talagang itong third party na nangyayari na ito is talagang wish fulfillment, no?